Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Jack was a 20-year-old college student who lived in a small town. He wanted to improve his English speaking and listening skills because he dreamed of traveling to other countries someday. Jack believed that practicing English in his daily life would help him become fluent. This story follows Jack through a typical day as he interacts with people and practices English in different situations. Morning conversations. Jack's alarm rang at 7 a.m. He stretched and got out of bed. As he prepared to brush his teeth, his roommate, Mike, greeted him. "Good morning, Jack. Did you sleep well?" Mike asked. "Good morning, Mike. Yes, I slept well. What about you?" Jack replied. "I had a good sleep too. What's your plan for today?"
Mike asked.
"I have classes in the morning. Then I'll go to the library to finish an assignment."
"How about you?"
Jack said. "I have a meeting with my project team, but it won't take long," Mike replied. After their short conversation, Jack prepared his breakfast. He had toast, scrambled eggs, and a cup of coffee. While eating, he spoke to his mother on the phone. "Hi, Mom. How are you?" Jack asked.
"Hi, Jack.
"I'm good. How's college going?" his mom asked. "Everything is fine, Mom. I have a lot of assignments, but I'm managing," Jack said. "Good to hear. Don't forget to eat healthy and take care of yourself," his mom reminded him. "Thanks, Mom. I'll call you later." "Love you," Jack said. "Love you too, Jack. Take care," his mom replied. At the coffee shop. After breakfast, Jack left his apartment and walked to a nearby coffee shop. He wanted to grab another coffee before heading to class. "Good morning. What can I get for you?" the barista asked. "Good morning. Can I have a medium latte, please?" Jack said. "Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?" the barista asked. "Hot, please," Jack replied. "Anything else?" the barista asked. "No, that's all." "Thank you," Jack said. "That will be $3.50, the barista said. Jack handed over the money and waited for his coffee. When his name was called, he thanked the barista and left the shop. In the classroom, Jack arrived at his college just in time for his first class. He sat next to his friend, Emily. "Hi, Emily. How are you today?" Jack asked. "I'm good, Jack. How about you?" Emily replied. "I'm doing well. Are you ready for the presentation today?" Jack asked. "Yes, but I'm a little nervous," Emily admitted. "Don't worry, Emily. You'll do great," Jack said with a smile. Their professor entered the classroom and began the lesson. During the group discussion, Jack and Emily worked together to answer questions. "What do you think about this topic?" Jack asked Emily. "I think it's interesting, but it's a bit complicated," Emily said. "Let's write down our main points first. Then we can organize them into a presentation," Jack suggested. "Good idea, Jack," Emily said, feeling more confident. At the library. After class, Jack went to the library to work on his assignment. He needed to borrow a book, so he approached the librarian. "Excuse me, can you help me find a book about modern history?" Jack asked. "Sure. Do you have the title or the author's name?" the librarian asked. "I don't remember the title, but it's about World War II, Jack said. "Let me check the catalog for you," the librarian said, typing on the computer. A moment later, she said, "Here it is. The book is on the second floor, aisle 5. "Thank you so much," Jack said. "You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else," the librarian replied. Jack found the book, sat at a quiet desk, and started reading. He took notes and prepared an outline for his assignment. Lunchtime chat. By noon, Jack felt hungry and decided to grab lunch at the campus cafeteria. He bumped into his friend, Tom, while waiting in line. "Hey, Tom. What's up?" Jack asked. "Hi, Jack. I'm just grabbing lunch before my next class. What about you?" Tom replied. "Same here. What are you getting?" Jack asked. "I'm thinking of trying the chicken sandwich." "It looks good," Tom said. "I might get that too." "Let's sit together," Jack suggested. "Sure," Tom said. While eating, they talked about their classes and shared tips for studying. Afternoon errands. After lunch, Jack decided to run some errands. He went to the supermarket to buy a few things for his apartment. "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" Jack asked an employee. "It's in aisle 3, the employee replied.
Thank you,
Jack said. He picked up milk, bread, and some snacks. At the checkout counter, he had a brief conversation with the cashier. "Did you find everything you needed?" the cashier asked. "Yes, thank you," Jack replied. "That will be $12.75, the cashier said. Jack paid for his groceries and thanked the cashier before leaving. Evening workout. In the evening, Jack went to the gym for his workout. He met his gym buddy, Alex, there. "Hey, Jack. Ready for today's session?" Alex asked.
yes.
"What's the plan?" Jack replied. "Let's start with some cardio and then do weight training," Alex suggested. "Sounds good. Let's do it," Jack said. While working out, they encouraged each other and talked about their fitness goals. "Keep going, Jack. You're doing great," Alex said. "Thanks, Alex. Let's finish strong," Jack replied. Dinner with friends. After the gym, Jack joined his friends for dinner at a local restaurant. They ordered pizza and had a lively conversation. "What's the best thing that happened to you today?" Emily asked Jack. "I finished my assignment outline and I feel good about it," Jack said. "That's great. Hard work pays off," Emily said. "What about you, Tom? Any news?" Jack asked. "I got an A on my math test," Tom said proudly. "Congrats, Tom." "That's amazing," Jack said. They laughed, shared stories, and enjoyed their meal. Nighttime reflection. At the end of the day, Jack sat in his room and reflected on his conversations. He felt proud of himself for practicing English in different situations. "Speaking English every day is helping me become more confident," Jack thought. He decided to write about his day in his journal, focusing on the new words and phrases he had learned. Conclusion. Jack's story shows how basic English conversations can be part of everyday life. From greeting friends to asking for help, every interaction is an opportunity to practice and improve. This story is written in simple English to help you improve your listening and speaking skills. Use it as inspiration to practice your own conversations and grow your confidence in English. Are you ready to practice English in a way that is simple, practical, and fun? This video features realistic daily life conversations to help you improve your listening and speaking skills in English. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your fluency, these scenarios are perfect for building confidence in using English every day. What you'll learn in this video. Small Blue Diamond Essential Vocabulary. Learn words and phrases used in daily routines like greetings, shopping, dining, and more. Small Blue Diamond Practical Dialogues. Follow conversations in real-life settings such as the coffee shop, classroom, library, supermarket, and gym. Small Blue Diamond Correct Pronunciation. Practice speaking with clear and natural pronunciation by listening and repeating. Small Blue Diamond Common Expressions. Familiarize yourself with everyday phrases like, "How are you?" and "What's your plan for today?" Small Blue Diamond Speaking Confidence. Gain the courage to use English in similar situations in your own life. Why you should watch this video. Keycap 1 Real-Life Context. The video showcases daily activities like talking to friends, ordering coffee, or asking for help in a store. Things you do every day. Keycap 2 Step-by-Step Practice. The conversations are clear and easy to follow, making it simple for beginners to learn and repeat. Keycap 3 Improves Fluency. Listening to natural dialogues helps you understand how English is used in everyday settings. Keycap 4 Perfect for Beginners. If you're new to English, these conversations are a great starting point for improving your skills. Keycap 5 Boosts Confidence. Learning from relatable scenarios prepares you to handle similar situations in real life. How to use this video effectively. Pushpin Listen and repeat. Pause after each dialogue and repeat what you hear to practice pronunciation. Pushpin Take Notes. Write down new words and phrases to use in your own conversations. Pushpin Roleplay. Act out the dialogues with a friend or by yourself to build speaking confidence. Pushpin Create your own conversations. Try making up similar dialogues based on your daily routines. Key topics covered. Morning greetings and conversations at home. Ordering coffee at a cafe. Talking to classmates and friends. Asking for help in a library or supermarket. conversations at the gym and social events. Who is this video for? White heavy checkmark beginners and intermediate learners. If you're just starting or want to strengthen your foundation in English, this video is perfect for you. White heavy checkmark travelers. Learn practical English to use while exploring new places. White heavy checkmark students. Improve your English for school or college interactions. White heavy checkmark anyone learning English. Build fluency and confidence in a relaxed and engaging way. Sparkles, start your English learning journey today. Watch this video to practice basic English conversations, improve your listening and speaking skills, and build confidence in using English in your daily life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful English learning videos.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into Englishstorywell, where every story is a step towards mastering English.